Hi guys, it's Gucci. We're in the Hamptons in my kitchen, my favorite place to be. And I think that something everybody loves is a mixture of crudité, fresh from Balsam Farms, a lot of it. So we have rainbow carrots, we have endive, we have some mini zucchini, radish, mini bell pepper, mini peppers actually, and we have these crackers that I made actually earlier today. Super easy, gluten-free. There's about 5 ingredients. Corn flour, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, flax, olive oil, hot water, that's it. I'll leave the full recipe in my description box. So this is a Hampton staple for us. We always have this crisp bread that's made out of lentil and brown rice flour. We always have this, like, every day. So I'm gonna start with my summer board. So I think when you're having people over, it's just so easy. We have friends come over for fish tacos or for a glass of rosé or something. But I typically just put it out and then we gather outside, have a drink, some little crudités, and then you have a little more time while you're cooking. These knives, I have to tell you, Chicago cutlery, they're so good, super affordable. So here's my carrots. Did some prep already. I love a rainbow carrot, so pretty. I have some endive. Bell pepper, anyone can just pick one up and just start chomping. Mini zucchini, tomatoes. This is all organic or locally sourced. I'm gonna put it like that. It's a cucumber, mini cuke, some cornichons. Some Marcona almonds, delicious. And this is the garlic and scape pesto. It's a nice dip. Some artichoke heart. Over there. Back in the day, I would have a full cheese platter, but I tend to do more kind of crudité, less dairy. Even though I do love good cheese, doesn't take very long. I had a little bit of prep with the carrots being peeled. Other than that, I mean, it's different types of crackers, really great dip, different veggies, some kind of fermented, some not. And there you go. This is my summer board. How good does that look? You could even have like another dip. Sometimes I might do a mustard vinaigrette with some olive oil, mustard, and vinegar. Raw, vegan, gluten-free. It seems like everybody likes this, even kids. Gray just ran in and took like 3 of the cornichons. I'll include which veggies and crackers and everything in my description box. Thanks guys for watching, and please let me know in my comments if there are any vegetables or anything that I'm missing on this summer board. I would love to hear. Thank you for watching. Thanks.